Insta360 just announced the Luna Pro on August 20th in China, and it's coming to the USA during IFA Berlin 2026. Its A is a huge stage for gadget reveals, so it wouldn't be surprising if Insta announces more products rather than just a global release. They also dropped the X6 on August 12th, and it's already being called the biggest jump in the X series since the line started 10 years ago. Company founder J.K. Liu said back in March 2026 that most of Insta360's resources this year are going into 7 to 8 new products and new series, and leaks, patents, and even a peek at the CEO's own computer screen have given us a pretty good idea of what's coming. Here's everything confirmed in the pipeline. And today's video is sponsored by no one. If you want to book this spot, just mail us. Insta360 Luna Pro USA. Insta360 fans have a lot to be excited about right now. The company already pulled back the curtain on the Luna Pro in China on August 20th, 2026, giving us our first real, confirmed look at the camera instead of just leaks. Now, all eyes are on IFA Berlin, happening September 4th to 8th, as the likely moment Insta360 finally brings the Luna Pro to a global audience. It's built around a 1-inch Sony sensor with a Leica-tuned f1.8 lens, approximately 20mm equivalent, a 3-axis mechanical gimbal with flow-state stabilization, and a detachable 2-inch OLED touchscreen remote. On video, it shoots 8K horizontally and holds a full 4K when flipped vertical, beating DJI's Osmo Pocket 4 and 4P, which drop to 3K vertically. It also supports 10-bit iLog color with roughly 14 stops of dynamic range, a dual AI chip setup for better low-light footage, and deep tracking 5.0 subject tracking, around 4 times digital zoom, a 1,550 mAh battery good for about 4 hours, 23-minute fast charge to 80%, and built-in storage. Insta360 Z1 MFT mirrorless camera. This is the rumor that really got camera nerds talking. Insta360 appears to be working on its first ever interchangeable lens mirrorless camera, and unlike everything else the company makes, it's not an action cam or a 360 camera at all. It's shaping up to look like a traditional mirrorless body. Leaked photos, first spotted on Chinese social media and later picked up by camera rumor sites, show a compact white body with an Olympus 14 to 42mm lens attached, which tells us it uses a micro 4/3 mount. That's a big deal because MFT is an open standard shared with brands like Olympus now, OM System, Panasonic, Sigma, and Leica, meaning this camera could tap into hundreds of existing lenses right out of the gate. Rumored specs point to a 20-megapixel Sony sensor, the same one used inside the OM system OM12 and OM3, plus physical dials for aperture and exposure compensation, which would be a first for Insta360. The camera is being called Z1 or Z0 in rumor circles, though that's likely just a placeholder codename rather than the final product name. Price whispers suggest something in the $599 to $799 range for the body alone. In August 2026, Insta360's CEO J.K. Liu actually confirmed the company is working on mirrorless cameras. So this is no longer just internet speculation. It's real. We just don't know exactly when it's landing. Insta360 Ace Pro 3. Insta360 Ace Pro 3 has been rumored for so long that it's become something of a running joke among camera fans. The Ace Pro 3 is supposed to be the successor to the Ace Pro 2, which came out back in October 2024 with 8K video and Leica-tuned colors. Early chatter had it landing sometime in late 2025 or the first half of 2026, but that window has slipped again and again. As of mid-August 2026, the most recent leaks now point to a late 2026 or even early to mid-2027 release. When it does show up, expect a bigger 1-inch 50-megapixel sensor, a real jump from the Ace Pro 2's smaller sensor, improved flow-state stabilization, and smarter AI features for editing. Pricing rumors have floated in the $549 to $599 range, a decent step up from the Ace Pro 2's $399.99 launch price. The delay is a bit surprising given that GoPro and DJI still haven't released a true 8K action camera, which should give Insta360 room to breathe. Still, until Insta360 says something official, the Ace Pro 3 remains a coming eventually story. A second, unnamed mirrorless camera. Here's where things get more mysterious. When J.K. Liu confirmed the Z1 style camera, he also revealed that Insta360 has a second interchangeable lens camera in development, and he described it as having a shape no one has ever thought of before. That's a pretty bold tease, and it suggests this second camera won't just be a traditional mirrorless body like the Z1. It could be something built around Insta360's roots in 360-degree and action capture, maybe blending those ideas with interchangeable lenses in a way nobody has tried yet. Right now, there are no leaked photos, no sensor rumors, and no name attached to it. All we really know is that it exists and that Insta360 wants it to stand out visually. Given how early this is in the rumor cycle, don't expect to see this one land in 2026. It's more likely a 2027 story, but it's worth keeping an eye on since Insta360 rarely teases something this vague without a reason. Insta360, Flow 2, and Flow 2. Pro Insta360's Flow gimbals have been popular for smartphone stabilization, and rumors of a refreshed Flow 2 and Flow 2 Pro have been floating around for a while now. Early hints came from a UK retailer that briefly listed a Flow 2 product page, which is usually a solid sign that a launch isn't too far off. There aren't a ton of confirmed details yet, but given how often Insta360 updates its gimbal lineup, an upgraded Flow series with better tracking, a smarter AI mode, or improved battery life wouldn't be surprising. Since gimbals were specifically mentioned in J.K. Liu's 7 to 8 new products comment from March 2026, there's a good chance the Flow 2 lineup is part of that batch, even if Insta360 hasn't nailed down a release window publicly. A new drone, beyond the anti-gravity, A1. Insta360 already made waves in early 2026 with the anti-gravity A1, described as the world's first fully integrated 8K 360-degree drone, which debuted at CES 2026, alongside a lot of buzz from creators who got hands-on time with it. But that apparently isn't the end of Insta360's drone ambitions. J.K. Liu specifically mentioned another new drone as part of the company's 2026 product push, separate from the anti-gravity A1. There's no name, no specs, and no leaked images tied to this one yet, so it's the vaguest item on this list. It could be a smaller, more affordable drone aimed at everyday creators, or it could be a more advanced follow-up to the A1 aimed at professionals. Either way, it's officially on Insta360's radar, even if the details are still under wraps. More gimbal cameras and lavalier microphones. Rounding out Liu's comments from March 2026, he also mentioned gimbal cameras and lavalier microphones as categories Insta360 plans to expand this year. Insta360 already teased a wireless microphone called the Mic Pro at NAB Show back in April 2026, which features a 3-microphone array, AI-powered noise reduction, and a customizable e-ink display so creators can add logos or text right on the mic itself. That one seems close to release, but the framing of Liu's comments suggests there could be more microphone or gimbal camera products beyond just the Mic Pro, possibly aimed at different price points or use cases like podcasting, interviews, or run-and-gun filmmaking. Nothing concrete has leaked yet, so this category remains the most open-ended of the bunch. Between the X6, the Luna series, the anti-gravity A1, and the Link and Snap product lines, Insta360 has already had a packed 2026. But if even half of what's rumored above turns out to be true, the back half of the year, and possibly into 2027, could bring the company's biggest lineup expansion yet, especially with its first real move into interchangeable lens mirrorless cameras. Just remember that outside of the Mic Pro, none of this is officially confirmed, so specs, names, and release dates could all shift before Insta360 makes anything official.